Hi, to check sleep data on the Huawei Band 9, you will need to open this Huawei Health app installed on your phone, and here on the bottom of the screen select the Health tab, and after that if you scroll a bit you will see this sleep section. So here you can check your sleep data, your result during the day, week, month and even year. Also, you can tap on the date and select the date manually just by tapping it like that. Here you can just tap anywhere to see more information and just swipe up to check your data analysis. So here you can see the sleep latency, duration, time in bed, sleep efficiency, and here you would see if it's normal or too high or too low, and here you can also check recommendations. This is pretty cool, isn't it? And also, you can go in the sleep breathing awareness and detect breathing interruptions during sleep. And if you forgot to wear your watch during the night during your sleep time, you can add your recordings manually by selecting that option. And here just simply choose date, sleep time, got up last night, today, and swipe up to set the time it takes to fall asleep, time it takes to get up, and then tap the OK button to save those changes. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.